Well, as you can hear, we have made it today to the spillway at Lake Linville, and that's what we're going to be fishing. Looking over the edge here, there's a couple pretty good looking bass in here if we can just get them to bite. But let's get down here to the bottom. Let's see if we can catch some. We're going to start out today with this little trick worm that I got from a boy that I work actually with his dad. It's weightless, Texas rigged. Let's just see if we can get us one right here on it. We got some other goodies in the bag that we may use also. Got a little rooster tail tied on our spinning reel, so we might try to get some of these little bluegills and stuff too. You never know. As long as we don't get down on this rock, it's slicker. It's slippery. Bunch of small little bass floating around right here. As you can see, they ain't gonna go nowhere. The water is down bad right here. Let's switch worms up here. Put a little different color one on that I'm pretty familiar with. Alright, what we did was switched worms up to this white belly green top. I throwed that one worm quite a bit and nothing was wanting it, so we switched it up to this worm. See if the color change helps us any. Well, we got us on our first fish here, if he can stay on. Not the monster I was looking for, but it'll do. First little fish, little Kentucky fish. There's a little spot on his tongue right there. Little Kentucky spot. Nice little fish. There he goes. Kind of having a little dry spell there. So I said, well, I only got the one battery today on my camera. Let's not waste it all on cast after cast. And that little dude there slurped it up. Threw it right back in that corner where I was at. They ain't really wanting that. I mean, I've thrown for quite a while, which it only seems like 5 seconds for you guys. But we might have to try to switch it up to maybe a swim bait. Maybe something moving is what they're really wanting. And we're gonna throw on the other side. Look at all those fish. Did you see all those riffles? I don't know if y'all saw it on camera or not. That's all them. I guess that's them sucker fish. There's a bunch of sucker fish in here. Bad as I hate to, I'm gonna wacky rig this, and I guarantee we'll lose our bait or our hook first couple shots. It didn't take long for me to break it off. So I put on this swim jig that we caught that turtle on out of that pond. It still works. It's just a little beat up. Now I got it hung up under a rock or something here. I don't know how far I can walk out here. About as far as I can go. Dadgummit. So it wasn't doing no good on everything else I had in here. And I go and lose that fish. See that? Lost it. Anyways, I go and put on a Ned rig. Well, you seen there, it caught a fish, even though it come off. Probably the biggest one in here, and I lost it. Try and feel it around with this camera. So we'll try it again. Now you know we can't end it like that, having just one fish and then one kind of biting on it. So here we are, day number 2. We're at the same creek, just further down at Renfro. And you probably can't see me because of the sun. But here we are, day number 2. We're gonna try catching some fish right here. So let's get at it and see if we can catch some more on this video. Day 2, coming at you. Woo, it sure is hot out here today. Not a good sign at all. Let me take that back. There's one there and one over here. And a small one right there too, in the middle of them. Whoa now. Look there. Got my pants pulled down. Drop it right back down in there on their head. See if that fish is still there. Can y'all see that turtle? Oh, he gone. Turtle there too. Son, these turtles all over this place. Well, I'm gonna try over here on this side for a little bit. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm getting a nibble. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Ooh, look there. Little bitty dude. Little bitty dude coming in strong with the crawdad. Get it right in his eyeball. There we go. Little bitty dude. Got some leeches in his mouth or some junk, but little bitty guy. We might have to move on down the creek some. And it's not looking good because it's not very deep at all. But you never know where one might be hiding. Well, we move upstream, and wouldn't you know it, I catch a rock bass on a Ned rig. There he is. They don't get much prettier than that. Orange on the fins, beautiful colors, the red eye. Pretty fish. Release. So that's number 3 in my hand, but yet to catch a good bass, But there ain't gonna be no good bass in this creek, but you know, what do you expect? Well, that's the end of that video. 2 days of fishing, caught 2 little rinky-dink bass and 1 rock bass, as we call it, or red eye, well, I don't know, rock bass. Hooked on that one down at the spillway, it got off, but 2 days of fishing and we get 2 little dinks and a rock bass. But that's the way it goes, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, be sure to drop down there and hit that subscribe button. We need your help to get to 500. We're getting closer and closer every day. Thank you guys for watching. We love every single one of you guys, and we will see you on the next video.